What it do, familiar? You guys already know the vibes. Let me go ahead and turn it down. There we go. So, what's up, y'all? We're here today with another one of them ones. You know what I'm saying? Alexa, turn down 2. Alexa, turn down 2. Yeah, I know y'all be saying that I be turning y'all Alexas down. I'm sorry, because y'all be watching me on y'all TVs. But like I was saying, man, we're here today about to do another one of the Halloween photo shoots. Man, we're about to have some fun with it. We're gonna do some little VFX vibes, some little some cool shit. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have a little bit of fun and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you guys the wardrobe and everything as always. And without further ado, let's do it. So I kind of just wanted to give y'all boys and girls a little bit of a heads up on while I'm dropping this video. Currently, I am working on the PNG the PNG culture. So these are going to be for the hats, you guys, to kind of give you guys a heads up that that's coming. But I'm dropping this video because you guys know I'm backed up on content. So I had to drop this one like quickly and try to edit it really fast. So it's not going to be crazy edited and stuff like that. Just kind of giving you guys a heads up. I'm gonna start giving you guys these heads up from now on because I feel like you guys like the heads up to know what you're about to get into. But I would really love it if you guys drop the like, whether you watch the full thing or not, because it's really gonna help the channel get pushed out to more people who may like this video in particular, or may like other videos that are also on the channel. So I just want to say thank you guys in advance. But yeah, so I'm just trying to get all of these batched videos out. So if some of the videos are out of order on the channel, don't kill me, okay? Just know that I have a lot of content. I'm only one man, and as you guys know, I do everything myself. So yeah, with that being said, I love you guys. Drop a like on the video, subscribe if you like the video, or if you already, if you already subscribed, I love you, man. I appreciate you. Welcome to the culture, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the hats will be dropping soon. I'm about to be making them today. There's only like 12 to 24 available, and then I'm probably gonna just close it off at that. Then I might open it for pre-orders or something like that, but I don't know yet. We'll see. The Street Fighter street thing, and I think that this floor might be straight. All I'm gonna have to do is remove the backing right here because I'm gonna be VFXing this whole background, you guys. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna bring the white down probably just to the floor. Actually, this might actually be fine, honestly. So we're gonna see what kind of vibe we're about to do today. We're gonna be doing this. I'm gonna show you guys the lighting setup that we have. It's gonna be a 2-light setup. We have the side light right here with the Godos 8200 right here. We have the SK400 gonna be up top right here, coming down at a straight angle, so that way she can kind of do her different vibes and stuff like that, and we can capture that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. Sony a7S III, X3 trigger, and Casper thinks I can't see him, but I can see him, and he thinks that he's slick, and he is not that. Okay, let's see. So we're using this floor. Let me see how this looks. 3, 2, 1. I don't even got my trigger on, y'all. But my 8200. So this is the SK400. I have it at 1/16 power. The 8200 is at 1/32 power. Like I told you guys, always split them in half. So half of 32 is what, 16. So I have the backlight at half of what the main light is. Okay. So yeah, and then for the, well, I forgot what I was about to say to y'all, but the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to be changing her background, and I'm going to leave her floor the same. So I'm going to just try to play different vibes like that, and I kind of like the floor that she's on. So the background will be a simpler process to remove than the actual floor. All right, let's see. Alexa, next. Testers. Let me see. Testers. Okay, yeah, I think that's actually good. All right, and then making sure that you guys F4 or up. So F4 or up to make sure that everything is in focus, because you don't want just her face in focus and then you try to go remove the background and everything's blurry and you can't get a crisp cut, okay? You want her and her body and everything to be in focus, so that way everything else will be in focus as well. Yeah. My God, I wanna be in that scene. All right, bet. So we're giving Street Fighter, we're giving
Well, there's stuff like it. So
crazy part about it was it didn't hurt.
Okay, good. I didn't put my full weight down. That's
yeah, you're good.
I just thought
so, did your character have powers or no? Does she have any fire or anything, or is that no? That's extra. Okay. Y'all look that up real quick.
I gotta look it up real quick.
But
I know she had some kicks that were kind of
some extra shit. Vibes. Yeah. So I could probably add some wind or some dust or something. I'm trying to think about what other things I can add. I'm gonna put you on the street though. All right, bet. So yeah, just little fighting vibes. You know what I'm saying? So give me like I'm in my stance maybe. Does she use fist or hands? Is she a fist or is she a You know what I'm saying?
I'm pretty sure she was fixed. I don't know.
Okay, bet.
Because I was literally looking at all the old video games trying to figure it out.
Making sure? Yeah. Bet, let's see. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more, hold it. The most important thing here, you guys, you want to make sure that she's fully lit correctly. You want to make sure that you're able to, you know, have the lights that are needed to be able to really, you know, separate her from her background. So I have this light right here flashing off. It's gonna be lighting up the background and help me remove her from that background. Then I have this main light up here, which is gonna be focusing straight on her. And then I have a reflector down below. It's gonna be lifting up those shadows as well. And I kind of just got an idea, but I don't know. Thank God I wanna be in that scene. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Who bad girls, and they got big dreams. I think that maybe I could pull it back. Yeah, if you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Shadow clone vibes, you know. If you know, you know. All right, let's see. Maybe I gotta angle this bit down a little bit. All right.
Hopefully I won't lose my balance.
I'm about to say, let's see how good you can do that. 3, 2, 1. Actually wasn't bad.
Right?
Another one.
Do I need to go higher or angle a little bit with it?
Just do the whole, yeah, do a little bit higher, like a little bit, like look a little bit more like, yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. One more, go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Like, your knees bent too much. When you go up, you're like this.
All right, so I'm bending too much.
So you gotta like, I need like a.
Like I'm about to kick somebody?
So instead of like a, I need like a ha.
Okay, bet.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Oh, my bad.
Oh shit, you're good. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I'm invincible. Nigga can't beat me. What's the principle? Pimping ain't easy. Hold on.
Okay, bet. Period. I don't know why my lip doing that. I was in the zone. All right. I think we can get it.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep back.
Think about facials.
Yeah. After you get the pose down, then you go focus on your face and stuff. So you got the pose, not just face. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think that was the one. One more. 3, 2, 1. These was hard.
Good.
Right?
Period.
Yeah. Yeah. I need to do a little video. Hold on. I need to do a video. Like, it's kind of like adjusting your hair, adjusting your like wrist thing, stuff like that. I'm about to do like a quick little video real quick. Get the street, get it down. Get it up. Hold, let me see. Hold it. Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. Take shoot a 1. Oh, keep doing that. Keep doing that. There we go. Oh, do that again. Do that again. Come back from fixing it and then come back like you're ready to fight. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Fix like your buns, like you're. I'm not telling you to actually do it, but like just act like you're doing it. There you go. Like damn, it's wrong. No, you're good. There you go. 3. You're doing it. Hold. Bet you're good. Bet. And then turn to the back. You're gonna turn towards here, and then I'm gonna have you turn around like this.
Turning this way or that way?
Whichever way is more comfortable. Whichever way feels easier to you to do. So which one feels easier to turn around to? Leg to.
Like all the way? Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna be here and here. Yeah, like that. Okay, bet. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hard. Bet. All right, back to the photos.
Yes.
Maybe like standing like you're fighting someone else, like not like you're fighting the camera, but like if you're one of those people. Like you're like in the game, how you're like this, and you're posted like, but your face that way.
Like
Yeah. Like that. The little bounce. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. You got it. Hold it. There you go. One more. Hold it. Yeah. Throw a punch. Left hand.
I'm like, if I do right, it's gonna look weird.
Do left. Hard. One more. Hold it. Don't move. Go back. Hold it. Oh, that's hard. One more. Yeah, I want some like detail shots. So like maybe like how you were just like adjusting your spikes, adjust them again. I'm gonna get some like pictures of that. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah. One more, hold it. Do it up, adjusting it up. Like that. Hold it. Hold it. Hard. Hold it. One more.
I guess this one has a hand tattoo.
Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. Like you're getting, like I was thinking about like preparation shots, like you're getting ready to fight.
That looks fun.
You're getting ready to fight.
Oh, that's cute. Go off. Okay, thighs. Let's go leg day. Yeah, fire. This is the off guards for you.
You can do like one of like you tying it, yeah, untie it and then like tie it back, but like mid tie. Like that's hard. Hold it. Okay. Yeah, like that's hard right there. Hold it. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. One more. Hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yeah, keep going. Casper, what are you doing? Right here, look to the right. Down, look down.
Oh.
Like, he looked like he trying to like sneak on us. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again, I say so long, farewell to you, my friends.